My name is Nishal Ramadas. I'm an electronics engineer by trade. I founded HiMet in early 2021. Our vision is to build breakthrough new products that enable the world to move away from fossil fuels to unconventional energy sources. HiMet is currently developing a true energy meter. When we move away from fossil fuel to a complex mix of gases going through our pipe, it's important we have meters that is able to measure what is going through and how much is going through. So we are building an instrument that does exactly that. One of the advanced technology we are adopting in our products is to be able to leverage machine learning and artificial intelligence capabilities right at the instrument level. Working with Digital Catapult was amazing. We were able to tap into experts and we were able to review the software stack we built, look at the architecture of our software and give us suggestions how to future-proof that. And we'll be surely looking to continue the conversations with Digital Catapult to guide us on that process and more importantly, enabling us to connect with a wider ecosystem to take this product to the next level.